We're going to take an example in which we will have to use the confidence interval to address customer complaints about Flamin' Hot Cheetos.
The company that makes Flaming Hot Cheetos has a problem. Some of their customers have complained that the company's 10-ounce bags of chips seem light. They don't believe that they're getting their money's worth. The first thing they did was hire a statistician to find out how much their 10-ounce bags weigh on average. The statistician randomly selected 15 bags of chips from the assembly line. The mean weight of the 15 bags was 9.85 ounces. The 95% confidence interval for the mean was from 9.61 to 10.09 ounces.
First of all, let's define confidence interval. A confidence interval is a range of values which we believe the true population mean falls in, with a certain amount of confidence. The purpose of the confidence interval is to figure out the population mean from the sample mean. So we want to use the sample mean from a random sample of our population to find the point from where we would distribute the intervals to both sides. The space inside the intervals will be the range where we are sure population mean will fall with a certain amount of confidence.
Now let's look back at the Hot Cheetos example. What do we have? We know that we have a sample of 15 bags of chips. We have the mean of 8 for the sample of chips, which is 9.85 ounces. We also have a mean of 95% confidence interval, which is 9.61 to 10.09 ounces.
Customers have is that they're not getting the 10 ounces of Hot Cheetos they are being advertised.
The question is, what does this confidence interval mean? How does it address the customer's complaints about the bags not weighing enough?
This confidence interval means that we are 95% confident that if we were to randomly choose 15 bags from the population, the sample mean would fall between 9.61 to 10.09 ounces, which would include the average.
And so how does it address the customer's complaints about the bags not weighing enough?
The confidence interval addresses the customer's complaints about the bags not weighing enough because we can be 95% confident that the customers will indeed get a 9.85 ounce bag of chips.
If you wanted to make sure that 95% of customers who bought a bag of Flaming Hot Cheetos got at least 10 ounces of chips, what would you do?
We propose that the confidence interval begins at 10 ounces to ensure that 95% of customers receive a bag with no less than 10 ounces.
What is the logic behind your proposal?
The logic behind is that since the interval starts at 10 ounces, everything past that is 10 ounces or more. More customers will receive a bag with at least 10 ounces of chips.
That the lowest value of the confidence interval starts at 10 ounces. Keep in mind there is still a 0.025 chance that they will not receive a full 10 ounces.